After learning the reaction that happens between chlorine and potassium bromide, now we will learn the reaction that happens between chlorine and potassium iodide. It's the same. First, we will focus on the reactivity series to see which one is stronger, chlorine or iodine. Chlorine is the stronger, so chlorine will displace with iodine, right? It will take its place. So first we must use the reactivity series. So put it behind you to know how you can start. Adding a chlorine solution to potassium iodide solution gives a dark reddish brown solution of iodine. Once a chlorine solution is added to potassium iodide, it will give a dark reddish brown color, which is the color of iodine. So then I can realize that iodine is produced, okay? But from where did iodine obtain? Let's see the equation. Potassium iodide solution plus chlorine, what will they produce? We said before that chlorine is stronger than iodine, right? So it will displace with it and leave it alone. Thus, the products will be potassium chloride plus iodine. So this is the iodine that's produced. Here is the reason of producing this color, as you can see in this figure. So again, it's very important to study this reactivity series to know which element, any element will make displacement for the other element. Okay, so after writing the equation, let's write the redox reaction to know which element undergoes oxidation and which one undergoes reduction. So as you can see, 2I minus plus Cl2 produces 2Cl minus plus I2. Let's see first the iodine. I minus converted to become I2. Look, it was with minus, but it became without here. What does that mean? This means that it loses electrons. So loss of electrons means it undergoes oxidation. While Cl2, chlorine, it was Cl2 in the reactant without any charge, without a plus or minus. But in the products, it became Cl minus. Thus, it undergoes what? It undergoes reduction. It gains electrons. Thus, chlorine is the oxidizing agent. So you have to know this equation. It's very important. Study it very well. It helps us to know which one undergoes oxidation and which one undergoes reduction, and which one is the oxidizing agent. Alright? So this is the reaction that happens between chlorine and potassium iodide solution, which produces iodine with dark reddish brown color.